What does dignity mean for women under Indian law? Under Indian law, dignity means that a woman must be treated as a person of equal worth, not as someone whose safety, freedom, privacy, or respect can be casually ignored. At the constitutional level, this idea is connected to equality under Articles 14 and 15 and to the protection of life and personal liberty under Article 21. Together, these provisions form the legal foundation for treating women with seriousness, fairness, and respect under law. Dignity is not only about polite behavior. In legal terms, it means a woman cannot be treated as inferior, humiliated, silenced, or reduced to a lesser status simply because she is a woman. It also means her body, privacy, reputation, and personal liberty matter in the eyes of the law. When the law speaks of equality and liberty, dignity is part of that protection. This becomes clearer in practical laws. The Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act expressly states that sexual harassment violates a woman's fundamental rights to equality under Articles 14 and 15 and her right to life and to live with dignity under Article 21. So dignity under law includes the right to work in a safe environment without humiliation, coercion, or sexual misconduct. Dignity also matters inside the home. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act provides civil protections such as protection orders, residence orders, and other reliefs. That reflects an important legal idea. A woman is not expected to lose dignity, safety, or secure living conditions simply because the harm happens in a domestic relationship. In everyday terms, dignity means a woman's complaint should be taken seriously. Her access to institutions should not be weakened by bias. Her legal rights should not depend on family pressure, workplace culture, or social custom. If she faces humiliation, abuse, intimidation, harassment, or unfair denial of rights, the law may treat that not merely as a social wrong but as a legal issue. This is an inference from the constitutional equality guarantees and the statutory protections just mentioned. Dignity also means lawful protection against being forced into silence. A woman is not asking for a favor when she expects safety, fairness, privacy, or equal treatment. She is asserting a legal position recognized by the Constitution and supported by legislation. In that sense, dignity is closely tied to equal citizenship. So in simple words, dignity for women under Indian law means this. The law must recognize a woman as an equal human being whose body, liberty, privacy, safety, reputation, and access to justice deserve real protection. Dignity is not an extra benefit, it is part of lawful treatment itself. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.